It's been 19 years since the Valentine's Day snowstorm, the snowiest Valentine's Day ever on record in northeastern and central Pennsylvania. More than 15 inches of snow fell on February 14, 2007, but the snow actually started the night before, so it was a two-day storm total of 18 inches. The Valentine's Day snowstorm of 2007 stranded tens of thousands of drivers on highways for hours and hours. One of our Newswatch 16 crews was stuck for more than 15 hours on Interstate 81 that day. Valentine's Day was a Wednesday that year, and the wintry precipitation that started as snow, for a time switched over to sleet and freezing rain, which is one of the reasons there were so many travel disruptions. 2007 ended up being one of the snowiest Februaries ever on record, but before the Valentine's Day storm hit, it had been a very quiet and mild winter. Quite the contrast to this winter, which is the coldest we've experienced in 3 decades. Looking ahead to this weekend, there is the potential for another storm. And even though there is still some uncertainty, what we do know is it will not hit on Valentine's Day. If we see wintry weather this weekend, it wouldn't be until Sunday. As of now, probably later in the day on Sunday. We're also breaking out of the Arctic air this week, and it will not return this weekend. So even if we see snow to start with this storm, it will likely end as a mix to plain rain by the end. The warmest Valentine's Day ever on record was in 1946. It was 62 degrees that year on February 14th, and the coldest temperature ever recorded on Valentine's Day was in 2016. The low that morning was 6 below. This year, Valentine's Day is looking partly sunny and dry with highs close to 40, which is just about as normal as it gets when it comes to weather for mid-February. Allie Gallo, Newswatch 16.